Hey folks, I spend about half the year on the road these days, leading photo tours and shooting on location, and I need my gear to perform no matter what the conditions. So that generally means high quality, professional grade DSLRs for capture and quality SSDs for backup whilst I'm on the road. So when Western Digital asked me to test out their My Passport wireless SSD, I jumped at the chance. I've been shooting today with a model in Nevada, and it's pretty impressive what this little thing can do. Let's check it out. The My Passport wireless SSDs come in capacities from 250GB up to 2TB, and as the name implies, they function wirelessly, thanks to a built-in battery pack that has up to 10 hours of battery life. In fact, you can use it to charge your mobile phone whilst on the go too. It has one-touch backup via its SD card reader, and you can back up other card formats via its built-in USB port. The drive itself has a bumper to protect from scratches, and it's drop rated to 1 meter, even whilst in use. That's actually just the start of what this thing can do though. It creates its own Wi-Fi hotspot, which means you can connect your devices to it and then review the files whilst you're in the field via your phone or tablet. It has full RAW support for just about all the big camera brands and the drone that I'm using, and it's a real lifesaver to be able to check that you actually got the shot whilst you're in the field. It's also fast enough to be able to play back 4K video via the MyCloud app. But the best part, because my camera has full Wi-Fi functionality including FTP support, I can connect it directly to the drive and have it transfer RAWs and JPEGs direct to the SSD via Wi-Fi. I can then review them immediately on my tablet, so I have a completely wireless tethering solution that I can take anywhere. So whilst shooting, all the RAWs and JPEGs are saved to card on camera. Then via Wi-Fi, they're also stored on the My Passport wireless SSD, all completely backed up. And then because this creates a hotspot, on my tablet, I can review all the shots in the field, make sure we got everything we need, make sure we got everything in sharp focus. And I can even edit them in the field and send them directly to clients via the mobile network, all without having to lug around a laptop or a single cable. Okay folks, so at the end of the day, whether you're shooting models in the desert or you're shooting wildlife on safari or you're shooting street photography in the city, the ability to have all of your files backed up on a rugged SSD that you can just chuck in your backpack, it's really great peace of mind. And for me, I can really see being able to edit whilst in the field and get files out to clients from location is going to open up new ways of working. So I'm pretty excited about that. Thanks so much to Western Digital for sending out this SSD and for sponsoring this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and you can check out the My Passport wireless SSD at the link in the caption below. See you guys.